Basically, my role with our customers is to make sure that they understand their vision for the company. We want them to understand how important their business is to us, and really how we're going to continue to invest not only in physical assets of equipment, plant, and those things, but really how we're going to support them from a people standpoint. So really matching up and making sure that the chemistry is right and we're able to collaborate well with them. Well, if you look at our position in the market, and if you look at how we interact with our clients and our customers, the thing I think we do the best is we know our customers' business well. So one of our most important missions is to understand our customers' business as well as they do. So when we get involved in product design, when we get into product specifications, all the technical details, our customers are coming to us to be their manufacturing engineer. And our job is really to support them in whatever their current initiatives are. So I would say that's probably the thing that really sets us apart, that's very unique. I'd say the other thing is, we're risk takers, and we really know how to, what programs to put on and what developments we want to put on the critical path, which are prototype and development R&D opportunities, and we have a very good team that knows how to manage that with a particular customer and a particular program. So if we look at the traditional marketplaces that or market spaces that our materials have been used in, we've done a very good job of coming up with unique forms for replacing in the electrical and industrial space, right? We've been able to replace cyclophthalic epoxies. We've been able to replace ceramics. So we've done a very nice job of getting into a customer's product design, figuring out where they might have a performance or a cost issue that they'd like to have us address, and really then go into a great materials or product development that addresses that. If I look at innovations in appliance and automotive, our Thermanol process and product line has really changed a lot in terms of how our customers view our particular products, right? So if we look at 2010, even 8 years ago, right, the proliferation of what I call the colors of metal, right, we're not really seen as much in appliances and automotive. Now, if you look at the interior of an automotive, you look at appliance, and you look at the different shades of metal and what we can do with our Thermanol process to match whatever the client is looking for in terms of the brush look, the brightness of the metal, or it could be steel, it could be chrome, it could be brass, it could be copper. So we can really develop a color of, or a palette of colors that the customers are interested in using within the particular product, and how it appears, as well as then it still has the same structural components that we always had. We still have the same strengths, mechanical properties, electrical properties that we've always delivered, just with the new look and a new finish.